In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude to turn a members-only product area into a much stronger affiliate promotion asset. Instead of guessing from the sales page, you can let Claude inspect the real product, pull out the substance, and use that analysis to build a review, bonus ideas, and even the outline for your email sequence. You'll need 3 things for this workflow: a Claude account, the Claude browser extension, and access to the product or membership area you want to promote. That combination is what lets Claude work from the real customer experience instead of generic launch copy. Make sure you're already logged into the product inside the same Chrome browser where the extension is available. That's the key step that gives Claude access to the protected training members area or product dashboard you want reviewed. Next, open Claude and give it a focused prompt. Ask it to analyze the product, write a detailed review, surface promo angles, and brainstorm bonuses that actually fit what buyers are getting. Once Claude has gone through the offer properly, that same research can also be turned into an email sequence and other follow-up assets for your campaign. When you send the prompt, the extension kicks in and asks for permission to access the site. Approve that and Claude can start moving through the product pages, reading the material, and mapping what is actually inside the offer. If you want Claude to do more than just chat back a draft, you can connect tools like Google Docs through Composio. That gives you a clean way to turn the review, bonus deliverables, and follow-up materials into files you can actually save, package, and use in your promo workflow. Once Claude finishes the analysis, you get the part affiliate marketers really care about: a real breakdown of the product, stronger review copy, clearer positioning, and bonus ideas grounded in the actual contents of the membership. This is where the promotion starts getting more credible and more useful. From the same analysis, you can keep going. Claude now has enough context to help with promo angles, objection handling, follow-up emails, and the email sequence itself, because it has already looked through the offer instead of writing blind. After Claude suggests a bonus stack, don't just take everything. Pick the bonuses that best support the offer, close conversion gaps, or make the core product easier to implement. That way, your bonus page becomes more strategic instead of just longer. Once you've chosen the right ones, send a follow-up prompt and have Claude create them for you. Here, it's moving from ideation into execution, organizing the requested bonus deliverables, and preparing the assets based on the product analysis it already completed. And this is the real win. Claude can continue into actual asset creation, building the bonus documents, pushing files into Google Docs or Drive when those tools are connected, and packaging the deliverables so you end up with usable affiliate materials instead of just a brainstorm. So from one product walkthrough, you can get the review, bonus concepts, finished bonuses, and the raw material for your email follow-up sequence. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe, leave a like, and check the description for more info.